Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my video with me Firda and my name is K1325030. So in this video, I'm going to explain about lines, angles, and shape. I think you're familiar with this, but let me tell you what is angle, what is line, and what is shape. A line is a straight path that goes on forever in both directions, while angle is when two lines meet at one point, and this point called a vertex. Well, shape is the form of an geometry object. So for more detailed explanation, please watch my video until the end. Okay, for the first that you need to be familiar is a parallel line. So when we have a line here, let's say it's line A, then over here there is a line, it's called line B. We can say that A parallel to B with this symbol, and it's called parallel line. So when we have line in here, then also have a second line in here, then we know that the first line has a slope, or the value of the gradient is 3/4. Then the second line also have a same value of the slope too, so the value is 3/4. So from this, we know that parallel line is two or more lines that never intersect, even if extended infinitely. So when we extend this line A, or we want to extend this line B, that is never intersect. And the distance between the lines is constant at all points. So the distance in here or in here, it is always same. Then they have the same slope or gradient. Like we know before, parallel line always have a same slope. Okay, next we're going to talk about perpendicular line. Here there is a line, let's say it's line A, then in here there is a line B. Perpendicular from a far right angle and then intersect at right angle, or the value is 90 degrees. We can say that A perpendicular to B with this symbol. Now, when we have this line C, then we know the value of the gradient or the slope is positive 3/4. Then there is a line D in here. Then we want to find the value of the gradient. So when we want to find the value of the gradient, we can flip the denominator or numerator and change the sign. The positive become negative. So it's become like this. The value is negative 4/3. Like that. Next. Salah. So from this, we know that perpendicular line has two lines that intersect at a right angle. Here, they intersect at a right angle or 90 degrees in here, form a right angle at the point of intersection. So they form a right angle in here, here, and here. And then the slope of the line are negative reciprocal of each other. Yeah, like we know before, the slope are reciprocal of each other, negative reciprocal. Okay, next, two coincide line. The illustration like this. There is a line A in here, then there is a line B here. So two coincide line is the two lines are located on straight line. So line A and line B located in straight line. Each other lines cover each other. So line B cover line A, while line A cover each B, and only seen in one line. Okay, next, two intersecting line. There's like illustration like this. The two intersecting line is two lines that cross or meet at one point at here, from angle at the point of intersection. So two intersecting line from for angle, but the angle not necessarily right angle. It can be acute angle or obtuse angle. So perpendicular, also intersecting line, but intersecting line not always perpendicular, like this. Next, we're going to talk about adjacent angle. So adjacent angle is located next to each other. So from this angle and this angle, locate each other. Have a common vertex in here and share a common side here, and do not overlap. Okay, next we're going to talk about complementary angle. So what is complementary angle? This is this illustration. Here there is angle 1, this is angle 2, and complementary angle is sum of the angle is 90 degrees. So this the angle 1 plus angle 2 is 90 degrees. And the second may be adjacent or non-adjacent. In here the angle is adjacent because angle 1 and angle 2 is next each other. And from a right angle, if adjacent, because it adjacent, this is from a right angle in here. So then we're going to practice the example how to find the missing angle if it is using complementary angle. So here known value there is 40 degrees and this is x. Then we want to find the value of x. So we know that x plus 40 degrees is 90 degrees. Then x equals with 90 degrees minus 40 degrees. Then the value of x is 50 degrees. So here the value of x is 40 degrees. Next, we're going to talk about supplementary angle. This is the illustration. Here angle 1, this is angle 2, and supplementary angle is two angles whose measure add up to 180 degrees. They form a straight line if adjacent, because this is adjacent, this is from a straight line. So the value of angle 1 plus angle 2 equals with 180 degrees. Next, we're going to practice again. This is, we know that the value is 120 degrees, and this is x. For the first, we know that x plus 120 degrees is 180 degrees. Then the value of x equals with 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Then the value of x is 60 degrees. So here change to be 60 degrees. Okay, next, here we have a line A and line B, and A and B is parallel, and there is a line C, this is the transversal. Then we name it, then this is make angles, some angle. So we name it one by one. This is angle 1, this is angle 2, this is angle 3, and this is angle 4, this is angle 5, this is angle 6, and this is angle 7, and the last one is angle 8. So now we're going to talk about interior angle. When we look at the word interior, it means inside. So where is the inside of this? In here, because there is a parallel in here, so the inside in here. So the interior angle in here is angle 3, sorry. So then angle 4, and then angle 5, and angle 6 in here, yeah. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Next, we're going to talk about exterior angle. Exterior, it means in outside, because the inside in here, so the outside is here and here. So the first is there is a angle 1, there is a angle 2, and there is a angle 7, and there is angle 8. So the outside in here and here, 1, 2, 7, and 8. Now we're going to talk about alternate interior angle, because we know that the interior angles in here, angle 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we find the what alternate angle in the interior on the inside in here between the angle 3, 4, 5, or 6. So the alternate is for the first is angle 3 and angle 6, because the angle 3 is in the left side of the transversal and the angle 6 in the right side of the transversal, and it's congruent. So the angle 3 congruent with angle 6. It also with this angle 5 and 4. So angle 4 is congruent with angle 5 because angle 4 in the right side of the transversal and the angle 5 is in the left side of the transversal. So angle 4 and angle 5 is congruent. So this is the alternate interior angle. Next, we're going to talk about alternate exterior angle. So because we know the interior in this, so the exterior in here and here. So then we find the what is the alternate angle in the outside or the exterior. For the first, there is an angle 1 and there is angle 8. So angle 1 congruent with angle 8, or angle 1 is equals with angle 8. And then because the angle 1 in the left side of the transversal and angle 8 in the right side of the transversal. So the next is angle 2 with angle 7, because the angle 2 in the right side of the transversal and the angle 7 in the left side of the transversal. So angle 2 and 7 are congruent. So this is the alternate exterior angle. There is angle 1 congruent with angle 8, angle 2 congruent with angle 7. Next, we have corresponding angle. Corresponding angle, it means like the place is same. So for the first, we have angle 1 equals with angle 5. The next, we have angle 2 equals with angle 6. Then angle 3 equals with angle 7. The last, angle 4 equals with angle 8. So this is the angle that is corresponding. 1 corresponding with 5, 2 corresponding with 6, 3 corresponding with 7, 4 corresponding with 8, and there are congruent like this. Next, we're gonna talk about same side interior angle. So the same side, it means like here, this with this, so it become like this. 4 angle 4 plus angle 6 is 180 degrees because it is in the interior, so the angle in here. The next is angle 3 plus angle 5 is 180 degrees. It is the same side interior angle. Okay, next is same side exterior angle, because this is the interior, so this is the exterior. For the first is angle 2 with angle angle 1 with angle 7 equals with 180 degrees. And then angle 2 with angle 8 equal with 180 degrees. This is the same side exterior angle. So now we're going to practice after we learn about the material. So here, now the value of angle, here 50 degrees. Then we want to find the other angle. So for make it easier, for the first we name it one by one. So here angle 1, this is angle 2, but because this is non-value, so it is 50 degrees. So this is angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6, angle 7, and 8. For the first, we know that the angle 3 is vertical angle with angle 50 degrees. So we change the value. So angle 3 is 50 degrees. Then we know the angle 1 is supplementary with 50 degrees. So it means 180 degrees minus 50 degrees, it equals with 130 degrees. So we know also that angle 4 is vertical angle with angle 130 degrees. So we change it. Then what about angle 5, 6, 7, and 8? For the angle 5, we know that angle 5 is corresponding with angle this 130 degrees. So then we change it. Then we know that 6 is supplementary with this. So it means 180 degrees minus 130 degrees equals with 50 degrees. Then we know angle 7 is vertical angle with 50 degrees, so we change it. And the angle 8 also vertical with this, so it becomes like this. Yeah, I hope you understand with this. So next I'm going to tell you about 2D shapes. So what is 2D shape? So for the first 2D shape is flat shapes, and they have length and width, and they don't have height or volume. The example like this. This is example of 2D shape. And this is a square, this is rectangle, this is circle, and this is triangle. So for the next is 3D shapes. 3D shape are solid shapes, and they have length, width, and height, and they have volume. The example like this. This is a cube, this is cone, this is a cuboid, this is cylinder, and this is sphere. They are 3D shapes. So I think that's all from me. I'm sorry for any mistake. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.